I just invented this fun new toy, and it's inspired by this fun old toy. This guy here at the bottom, that's Bill. Building, you get it? And these are his stackable clown friends. Originally, this toy was created in 1931. I first came across Bill and his clown friends at an antique store in Tuscola, Illinois. Now, my first goal was to use these as a pattern to cut out my very own.
Sounds like a lot of work.
To duplicate Bill and his clown friends, it takes a lot of work. I have to cut out each one by hand, sand all the edges, and then paint them. There's just too much effort and it's too time consuming. So my idea was to cut these out using my X-Tool S1 diode laser machine. It's much faster and way more precise, which led to the inspiration of Acrobots. With the help of my son, who's a graphics designer, we improved the design for better stackability and a lot more options. We turned the clown into a robot and we made them smaller so that 15 could fit into this small box. The end result came out way better than I could have ever hoped for or imagined. And best of all, you can buy one of these right now by scanning the QR code here on the screen. I'll also have a link in the video description. But I'm sure you want to see these in action first. So here's my short infomercial. Acrobots, stackable fun for humans. Is it a puzzle? Is it a toy? Is it a fidget toy? Yes! Are you ready for the Acrobat challenge? The first thing you need to do is figure out how to get the 15 Acrobots out of their box. Push here, then slide out the wooden stick. How many robots can you stack? You can stack them shoulder to shoulder, right side up or upside down. You can stack them head to head, foot to shoulder, slot to head, foot to slot. You can even use the one robot with the vertical slot as the base to build. He has a copper top. Sure, he's different, but we love him anyway. You can also use the box as a base, right side up or upside down. The stackabilities are endless, and I don't even know if that's a word. You can play Acrobots solo or with a friend. Who can stack the most? Who can stack the fastest? You can even customize your order by putting your name on the front and back of the box. Bring it to work so you can stay busy during those boring meetings. There's no right or wrong way to stack them. The only requirement is fun. When you're done playing, the robots go back in the box for quick and easy cleanup, ready for the next adventure. Scan the bottom for these instructions or to purchase your own set of Acrobots.
Danger, Will Robinson, danger!
No actual robots were harmed in the making of this video. There's a ton of fun packed into this small, unique toy. It took a lot of trial and error just to get it to this point, but I'm really happy with the end result. Now, depending on how this goes, I could even create some stackable animal robots or other add-on accessories. Now, I won't get into the details, all the details about how I made this, but I will show you a brief overview because I think it's really interesting. This is the SVG file, which I sent to my laser engraving machine. It takes about 25 minutes to cut out the box and 15 Acrobots. I then sand each piece on both sides and give everything a clear coat of acrylic spray. I then glue the box pieces together. Now there's a few other minor steps, but that's basically my process. I do think that this is a fun little toy. It can appeal to both children and adults, and so far, everybody that I've let try this really seems to enjoy it. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Acrobots, I'm selling this on my son and daughter-in-law's website, BigBearNaturals.com. And as a little incentive, they're offering a 10% discount off of any and all products on their website. So just include the discount code Acrobots. They sell a lot of all-natural products, liquid soaps, bar soaps, lotions, lip balms, bath salts, sugar scrubs. They even have a new line of pet care products. They even sell a soap that smells like cedar wood. I know, Woodrow, it's your favorite. He's not supposed to have any lines. Now I gotta pay him SAG minimum wage. I used to just pay him in soap.